Hello, magandang gabi ulit. This is JB Tigianon or Joel Tigianon, your engineering and chemistry tutorial. Ngayon, math tayo, no? Ginaganahan ako mag-review ng math, and this is indefinite calculus, no? So may problem dito. Sabi rito, find the equation of the family of curves whose slope at any point is equal to the negative twice the abscissa of the point. Find the curve of the family which passes through the point. Okay, through the point point ito 1 and 2. So ibig niya lang sabihin, suppose mayroon kang, di ba kapag mathematical tayo, meron tayong x, no? Y and x, di ba? Y and this is your x. So may mga numbering system ka, 0 yan dyan, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So ganyan naman yung ating ang ating notation, or ang ating pagsasa kahulugan. So meron kang y, this is your x. So 0, negative naman to, negative x, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Pagkapababa ka, okay, tapos positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4 pagkapaakyat. Okay, yan yung ating system, no? So ngayon, alam natin na ang slope is dy over dx is equal to negative 2x. Yun ang sabi niya. Is equal to the twice of the abscissa. Yung abscissa natin, ito yung x. Okay, so dy dx is equal to ganito, negative 2x. Then makukuha natin dito yung equation. Pwede nating express yung dy is equal to negative 2x dx. So anong ginawa natin dyan? Transpose lang natin to. Ito, ilagay natin doon. Ito na yon. Kasi ito is slope, no? Slope yan. Pag may pagbabago yung dy mo, kasi halimbawa ito yung line. So ang dy mo is ito, dy yan. Okay, ito yung dx. Okay, ito dx, ito yung dy, so vertical. Slope yan, slope of the line. Okay, so pag sinabing slope, naka-incline, ito yung slope, may angle. So pwede mong i-express sa angle yung slope, di ba? Pwede nating tawaging theta yan. Pwede rin in terms of rise, ito na nga, dy, at saka run, galing dito sa point na to, run, ito yon, papunta dyan sa point na yan, dx. Okay, so yan po yung mga notation natin, na dapat natin alalahanin kapag tayo ay nag-aaral na ng itong integral. So, pwede nating masabi na ang integral ng dy is equal to the integral of negative 2x dx, di ba? And therefore, pwede nating masabi na yung y natin, taking the derivative, this is negative 2, tapos x squared divided by 2, okay, plus c. Pwede nating masabi na yung y natin ngayon is equal to negative x, kasi cancel tong 2 over 2. Negative ito, ha. Yan na lang siya. And this is actually the equation of parabola, no? Parabola ito. Parabola yung gano'n ang itsura. Diba? Masyado lang malalim yung ano ko. So, parabola. Ganyan yung itsura. Parang gano'n. Nagagamit to, halimbawa, mayroon kang poste dyan. May poste ka dito. Poste ka dyan. So, mayroon kang line. This is a parabola. Okay? So, ganyan yung mga application nito sa totoong real world, kumbaga. Mathematics kasi ito, no? So, masasabi natin, setting x is equal to 1. Wait, let x, no? Let x is equal to 1, and then y is equal to 1. Yan yung binanggit niya kanina sa problem. Then, i-apply natin to sa equation. Y is equal to negative 1 plus c. Okay. Okay. And then, ilagay natin yung, doon sa equation, kung ilagay natin yan, ganyan ang mangyayari. Negative 1 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to 2. Makuha natin yung constant c as 2. And then, the curve passing through point 1, 1 is equal to y minus x square plus c. Okay? Or therefore, y is equal to negative x square plus 2. 2 na ito. Kasi i-substitute mo na yung value ng y dyan. Value ng c, which is 2. So, ang pinapahanap sa atin ito ang equation na to. Kasi, ginamit natin yung given. Nakuha natin yung equation kanina sa integral to. Using integral. Okay. Then, sinubstitute lang natin yung mga value na to get c. Then, this is now the full equation. Expressing y in terms of x and having the value of 2 as a constant. So, yan po ang ating sagot dito, no? Sa kanyang tanong, find the equation of the family of curves whose slope at any point is equal to the negative. Okay. twice the abscissa of the point. Find the curve of the family which passes through x to the point 1, 1. Okay, so the answer is this one. This guy here is the answer. This guy. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, that's